You're watching Rome Tech. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tech reviews. Welcome to a comprehensive review of the HelloMD telehealth platform. Find links to the service in the description below. HelloMD offers a convenient telehealth solution, connecting patients with licensed healthcare professionals through video calls, phone conversations, and secure messaging. This platform is ideal for those seeking quick and easy access to medical advice, prescriptions, and mental health support from the convenience of their own homes. HelloMD caters to a broad spectrum of healthcare needs. Whether you require a general consultation, dermatological advice, mental health support, or even guidance on cannabis use, HelloMD can connect you with appropriate specialists. From managing minor ailments and requesting prescription refills to seeking professional mental health assistance, HelloMD offers a streamlined pathway to experienced doctors and specialized practitioners. A key strength of HelloMD lies in its user-friendly interface, which simplifies the process of scheduling and attending appointments. Upon registration, you can easily select the type of consultation you require and promptly connect with a suitable healthcare provider. Consultations are generally affordable, offering flexible options for one-time visits or subscription-based plans, depending on the frequency and duration of care required. The mental health services offered by HelloMD are particularly noteworthy. They provide virtual therapy and counseling sessions, making professional support accessible and convenient. HelloMD is a perfect solution for busy individuals who value their time and need efficient access to medical advice without the delays associated with traditional in-person appointments. Furthermore, it's an ideal option for those in remote locations or facing mobility challenges, eliminating the need for travel and lengthy wait times. Convenience is at the heart of HelloMD's design. Patients can connect with healthcare providers on their own schedule, whether it's for a brief consultation or a more extensive, ongoing treatment plan. For more detailed information and to sign up for HelloMD, be sure to check out the links in the description below. If you prioritize fast, accessible, and professional telehealth services, HelloMD presents a robust option, ensuring you receive the care you need with minimal inconvenience.